Hi everyone, it's me, and for this episode tayo ay mag-unbox na isang regalo that was given to us by one of our besties, Maddie. And yeah, so for those who don't know, I actually collect Nomi dolls, and it's definitely a Nomi doll. So anyway, this was given last Christmas, which I was not able to get it. Here we are. But anyway, let's go. So, yun na nga guys, naka-Christmas wrap pa siya. But, syempre, nung binigay siya sa akin, medyo nakita ko na yung kung ano yung gift sa akin. But anyway, ayan na, i-unwrap muna natin yung regalo, paulit-ulit. So, hindi ko alam actually kung anong version to. So, I'm just assuming that it's actually from the version 7, if I'm not mistaken. But that's just a wild guess. I could be wrong, so... Okay. Oh, so it's from the version 7. Super cute, guys. OMG. So, I already have Aurora and Galaxy. Guys, wait lang, kukunin ko lang. So, guys, this is Aurora. And we have Galaxy. Oops, kita ba siya? Yan. So, this is Galaxy. So, actually, kaya ako nagustuhan ng Nomi dolls kasi reversible, tama ba? Reversible yung kanyang mata. So, per Nomi doll, meron kang option na iba-ibahin yung kanyang mata. Ayan siya. So, ito yung, kita ba siya? O basta tatlo siya. Tatlong versions yung mata na makukuha mo. Hindi siya ganun ka-obvious sa camera. Pero sa mga still photos, meron akong mga photoshoots na ginawa. Hindi pa pala ako nakapag-photoshoot, OMG. Anyway, so yeah, tsaka very detailed yung mga designs niya sa mukha, sa cheek, sa mata, sa kilay, sa forehead. So, ganun siya. Ganun ang Nomi dolls. It's very